Today is Wednesday, and I tried to deposit $46 into my trading account to see how much I'm able to come up with at the end of the trading week. And today is Wednesday already. So here's my deposit, and I'm already in a sell trade on GBP USD. So that's $46 right there. $46. And I'm currently in a sell trade, and I'm losing $2.45. That's my current loss. I want to see how much I'm able to make at the end of the week. And currently with this trade, I'm only risking $10 on this trade. I'm only risking $10 on this trade. My stop loss on this trade is 25 pips. Some are 20 pips. Some of my stop loss on this trade are 20 pips. Let me see how this trade is going to play out. Okay, let me show my screen so that I can show you how I generate the signal. So let's do our top down analysis from the 4 hours down to the 1 hour, because I'm a day trader obviously. Going to the 4 hours, market is currently ranging, and I was actually hoping that there will be this initial break is going to be the continuation of the move. So I was hoping that this was going to be the continuation of the move to the downside, since price has already broken with this small candle, but price decided to go up after the break. But I'm still expecting price to push down and continue with the sell bias. So if you look at this area at this top, you can see that price has made a strong rejection at this area, signaling that that's a strong rejection zone, that's a strong resistance zone. So if you look at this support here, we had a fake out on this day. There was a fake out here. There was a fake out on this trade. Price went back up immediately after the fake out. So meaning there are still tendency that we might break this support level. And if you cannot break this support level, that means price is going to keep pushing to the upside, probably to this area here. But if you look at the 1 hour time frame, this is the 1 or 4 hour time frame. But if you look at the 1 hour time frame, you see that price has closed above, but I was already in the trade before price closed above this zone. I was already in the trade. My stop loss is 25 pips. 25 pips. So I'll target 75 pips for this trade, which is 1 to 3. But I'm going to take partial profit along the way. So if price keeps dropping down, I'll take 1.5. I'll take partial profit at 1:1.5. Risk to reward. And I think it's not that bad. So if this trade should hit stop loss, that means I'm done for today. But I'm still very skeptical about closing this trade, because if I can get another close above this support level, I'm going to exit my trade and wait for price to close below once again. If price should close above here, I'm going to wait for price to come back again before I will take another signal. Sorry, I don't know how to use this brush too. I'm just trying to draw something. Let's see how this thing plays out. One hour has already closed, and just as I've predicted, price has dropped massively in our direction. Price is currently dropping 20 to 30 pips. some of my position is 30 pips and some of my position is 27, 26, so it's not really uniform because I had some position at the top. It's not really uniform. So currently I'm already running 1-to-1, so I will close some position at 1 to 1.5, which is somewhere around here. 1:1.5. okay, that's 1:1.5. so that's where I'm closing partial profit. Then I'll hold the rest till 1:3. So let me show you guys. You can see. If price pushes to this area, I'm going to add more position to my entries. If price pushes to this previous support on the 1 hour, I'm going to add more position to my entries. So let me send the signal to my group, and they can also hit from the signal too. I'm already in on the position now. I've already added 0.03 to my previous position. Can you guys see this? So I've already added more position to my entries. Let's see how this thing plays out. I'm currently up $60 on my account. My equity is down $60. So all of the position that I'm having on this trade is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 0.08. So 0.08 is all of the position that I'm having. Just as I've said before, if price should get to 1:1.5 risk to reward ratio, I'm going to close partial profit from this trade. Are you guys with me? So I'm going to close partial profit from this trade. Then I will leave the rest to run at break even when price gets to 1:1.2. Sorry, when price gets to 1:2. So if price should get to 1:2, I will set my trades to break even. The rest of my position, I'll set them to break even. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'll keep you guys updated how whatever the outcome might be, whether it's a loss or it's a win. But this thing is looking very good for me, so I think this is gonna be a win, but we never can tell because market is very crazy. The next candle can be an impulsive candle and my stop loss is gone. So whatever the outcome is, I'll update you guys. This is the current price location right now. at some point price was already running around 30 pips for me, so I was already up around $22-23. I was up $22-23 at some point, but currently price is doing a strong retracement to the upside, and I hope it's a retracement though. I hope it's a retracement. You can see I've already added one more position to my trade, so now I'm having 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, so I'm having 0.09 lot. Let's see how this thing is going to play out though. But so far it is looking good, except when price went very strong to the upside with that previous 1 hour candle. If you can see, with that previous 1 hour candle, with this previous 1 hour candle, so it was not looking good as at that time. But I think this drop might clear everything down to the downside. So let's wait and see. So this is the main reason why I like taking partial profits. So I like to take partial profits whenever price has given me 1:1.5, so that I will not really care about the rest of what price does for the rest of the trade or the rest of the move. So if I had taken my partial profit now, I would have just been happy with this trade, whether it goes in my direction or it does not, because either way I'm not losing. Do you get? But if price does not get to my 1:1.5, times I'm going to lose. But I'm going to adjust my stop loss from 25 pips. I'm going to adjust my stop loss from 25 pips probably to like the eye of this candle, so that's like 15 pips, so that my losses can be minimal. Because if this trade should like hit stop loss now, I'm going to lose up to like $20 on this trade. So I'm going to lose up to $20, but my initial risk was $10. So for me to lose that $10, I'm going to reduce my stop loss to like 15 pips from the top. So the ones that I had at the bottom, the entries that I had at the bottom somewhere around here, are going to be around 20 pips stop loss, like that. So that's how I'm going to do it. Let's see how it plays out. Okay, so this is the outcome of the trade that I took on Thursday. So I'm going to put the video at this corner. I'm going to put the video here. So that Thursday, price actually went in my direction for like 38 pips. Yes, I was already making like $90. The video is here. I was already making like $90. I was already making like $40 in equity, and my balance was around $95. But there was a news that came out as at that time. The news came out and went in my direction for like 15 pips, and after that 15 pips movement, price went straight back up into my stop loss, and I get to lose that trade. So it was a painful trade, because I was actually expecting price to just dip for me a little bit more, maybe to like some lows around this region, so that I can take partial profit again, because I already had some positions stacked when price went to the top. And the funny thing about this trade was I was so close to stop loss on that same Thursday. So price went back up and I was so close to stop loss that I only have like 0.5 pips left for the stop loss to get triggered. But I was saved with that 0.5 pips stop loss. That was like 5 pips. So I was saved. I didn't get to hit stop loss on that on Wednesday. So I didn't get to hit stop loss on Wednesday, but I got to hit stop loss on Thursday. So my trade later hit stop loss on Thursday, and I lost the trade. So I'm going to be putting more videos like this here on YouTube. So I want you guys to like follow me, and so that I can make more videos like this. Thank you.